Hey and welcome, and in this class I will teach you how you can use the iPhone and iPad shortcuts, also known as the Siri Shortcuts. I'm Daniel, I'm a travel blogger and a YouTuber, and for the last 6 years I was traveling around the world, and building my business I was using a lot of productivity apps and hacks for my iPhone and my iPad, and so I created a lot of shortcuts and used shortcuts. So in this class I will give you an example of amazing shortcuts that you can use straight from just downloading, and also create your own shortcuts so that you get the understanding of shortcuts to use them in the future to become more productive, so that your phone is a better tool to help you in your daily tasks. I'm looking forward to see you in the class. Hey, this is Daniel from the future. So the video that you just saw is also the introduction on Skillshare. And the reason why I make this video now is because I want to share on my YouTube channel that I created my first online course. So if you clicked on this video because you want to learn more about the shortcuts, for you I have a special offer. So because I have now an online course, Skillshare gave me a link where you can sign up for 1 month for free. So you can watch my course and all the other courses on Skillshare for free for 1 month. What's the deal there? I still get $10. That's the affiliate program from Skillshare. And if you want to know more about how to make money on Skillshare, this is also the reason why I share all of this here on my YouTube channel. I dedicate a couple of videos here on my YouTube channel to show you that it's possible to make a passive income using Skillshare. On that note, if you're interested in tech or filmmaking, keep watching my YouTube stuff. There is this video how to make passive income on Skillshare. So definitely watch this one next, or start watching my classes on Skillshare. And if you like this video, hit like, subscribe, ding a ding the bang bang gong. I'm Daniel. We see us in the next video. Bye.